Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Wealth Squad today talking about crypto and stocks because what we are not seeing is a direction. We can check in the last month and zoom in a little bit. It's been choppy like this since around May 10th, May 11th, and there is no clear direction of where crypto is going. This is Ethereum. We can check out Bitcoin, then that same. It's basically starting and ending at the same price, right? We've had some highs of 32,000, some lows of 25,000, but regardless, we always are in this $30,000 range. For Ethereum, we're usually under this 1,800 range. Um, and other cryptos, of course, are still hurting. Solana is making new lows. Matic is still feeling the pain, but similar to Ethereum. Chainlink, same thing, just still in this range. We got Avalanche making almost new lows. Aave doing well. Cardano doing okay in that range. But so what are seeing is most of crypto is in a range that it's trying to get out of, right? It's kind of difficult for that to happen. We can actually draw some lines here to prove our point. This range that necessarily has not been broken yet, and that's just for Bitcoin. Going forward, that's what we are going to most likely see. So unless that range breaks, we'll be in this for a while. And like Bitcoin, like every other crypto, you don't earn any dividend, you don't earn any interest unless you are staking that crypto, actively staking it in a protocol and a website, and that would make you some money. But let's check on stocks because we're in the same type of range with stocks, just in the last little bit. You can see month we start at 415 for the S&P 500 ETF. SPY went down to 380, back at 410, 415, but the overall direction is down. That's what we are seeing year to date. Let's check exactly where we are. Down almost 14% year to date, 106 trading days in. With that being said, the only direction is up is not entirely true because everything is pointing down. U.S. savings rate is at a 20 or 10-year low. Gas prices are at a 20-year high. U.S. GDP growth, the economy actually shrunk last month, so it did not grow. It went negative last month. So all these macroeconomic indicators are pointing to the economy shrinking and the people in America having a hard time buying food, buying gas, paying for rent, housing. It's a tough time for everyone involved in American economics, and I don't think those people have the money to buy, maybe a Starbucks drink or buy something off of Instagram or click on an Instagram ad or buy Bitcoin with Cash App because these people don't have money in the first place. They are trying to survive. Gas is $5 here. I'm sure it's more elsewhere. Um, and you have, $3 gallons of milk and $2 carton of eggs. If you're going to work there and back every day, and you're, driving, let's say, um, mile per gallon 20, and you're driving 20 miles there and back, you're paying $10 a day just to drive to work. Um, and that hurts the economy because back, maybe a couple years ago, it was $2 a gallon. You paid $4. Now you're paying 150% more. That doesn't seem like much when it's only $6, but over the lifespan of however long this will last, of months and weeks and months and potentially years, that's gonna dig into your pocket, and you're not gonna be able to spend on what you'd like to, whether it be on Amazon, whether it be the cool new stuff at Target, whether it be new Nike shoes. You're not gonna have that extra money to spend, and that's how these rising costs hurt the investor, because the average American consumer is now spending less on, you know, cyclical consumer goods and more on what they need to survive. So that's basically a bear case for stocks right now, as all indicators are pointing to the negative side. GDP growth negative, gas prices at a 25-year high, U.S. savings rate at a 25-year low, inflation at a 25-year high, and with that money, they're not going to be buying crypto. They're not going to be speculating on different altcoins. You got to think that they need to survive first. That is their number one priority. So whether or not these people have money to spend or not, we have to figure that out, because that is essentially what drives the American economy. Let me know what you think, but I don't think we are going to see new highs anytime soon. SPY 480 is kind of tough to conceive in the next couple months. I might be wrong, but that's just my opinion. I want to hear what you think in the comments. That's the video. Thank you so much for watching.